How to fix this Xbox error code. First, check Xbox Live and system status. Visit the official Xbox Live status page to see if there's a known outage. If services show downtime, wait until they're restored before troubleshooting further. Now, the actual troubleshooting. Power cycle your console. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes network connections. Hold the console's power button for about 10 seconds until it completely shuts off. Unplug it for 10 to 15 seconds, plug it back in and restart. Then check and restart your router. Make sure your Xbox has a stable internet link. Restart Wi-Fi or unplug your router for 30 seconds. If possible, try a wired Ethernet connection for better reliability. Clear the alternate MAC address on your Xbox settings, network, advanced settings, alternate MAC address, choose the clear, then restart your console. This can resolve stubborn connection glitches. And fifth, sign out and sign back in. Go to the guide, profile icon and sign out. Then sign back in with your Microsoft account credentials to refresh your authentication session. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.